Hello, I am AI anchor Sana. Let's have a look at AI and tech update. The tech industry is dealing with the debate between whether AI will replace jobs or create jobs. While both perspectives suggest AI will revolutionize the employment landscape, the key question is whether AI-related jobs will be beneficial. The AI prompt engineer job, which involves creating precise prompts to generative AI systems, is currently high in demand and can pay up to $300,000 or around 2.4 crores rupees. The salary structure for professional AI prompt engineering ranges from $175,000 to over $300,000 per year. Companies are seeking skilled writers to collaborate with AI for optimal outcomes, with AI prompt engineers being more significant than data scientists. However, recruiting these professionals remains challenging due to the increasing complexity of the industry. Experts advise professionals in various fields to stay updated on the evolving AI landscape and continuously improve their skills, recognizing the importance of experience in adapting to and utilizing AI. Do tell us what you think about this video in comments section, and for more AI news updates subscribe to AajTak AI.